Alright guys, today I have a lot of mobile vacuums. I don't know why someone do that, but that's my friend's owner. This is the iRobot roomba. Yeah. It's still cleaning. Oh, the E6 started. Okay, there's another E6. Okay, E6. Wow, nice. I feel this, the blue one, not the 700 band, the newest dot. Oh, I forgot the respawn. Wait. Okay, I forgot the respawn. Yeah, right. Okay. Let's go faster. This is the fast mode. I hope this is we hit 10 subscribers. Thank you so much. So yeah. Oh no, LGX. Oh no, I got him rich. Oh there, funny. Dude, stuck. I gotta turn off this because it's gonna loud. This is Yahama music siren. Yeah. Oops, I sent to that guy. This J7. Yeah, I think you should clean everything, but feel they're gonna be crazy. This is actually very crazy because I buy a lot. It costs, so the total all in is 1,000. I don't know why I paid that, but I have unlimited money and unlimited life. This is scuba. I don't know because I used the auto caption, but I don't understand. This TV. Oh, in real life, iRobot roomba only have one brush, but in Roblox, it's only two when it's automatic, not this one. Okay, I just like to play with roomba. Sorry, S9. This one, this random name that I don't want. E6, but some call E5. I don't know why they call that. Okay. S9, you can't go there. Dude, you stuck. Whoa, why the tiny wheel that front? I thought it was back. In real life, I don't even know how to explain. Well, I hope. Oh, this look like team. Whoa, look like team. Why? Why did you do that? Oh, this costume Roomba. There's a Roomba and LG HomeBot, and this guy, and there's with a knife that look dangerous, but it's not for Roblox and not good at that. But I saw the laser. Oh, S9. But you stuck again. I gotta use my sister. Why? Why sister use a sticker? I don't want to. Okay, just stop it. Stop me cringe. Why? This has not look weird shape. This is from 2019. Yeah, they made in 2019. I think iRobot roomba comes from China or USA. I thought a good dog. So later look like that. That was a good dog. Very good dog. That's a I7 is declining right there, not there. This TV Nico? What? Why? I'm very tired. Oh, E6. He's stuck in there. He's just. I'm sorry, dude. This thing, blue thing, I don't know what's called. It's 7. I don't know. Okay. I don't know, but I had to search on YouTube later after I added this. This guy is crazy. It's crazy. Yo. Okay, I'm right. This one. Samsung. It's very stuck with a train. Oh, the look at that jump scare. Blah blah blah. Okay. Better like. Wow. We're holding it together. Dude, so many people with it. So many robot vacuums cleaning this. I forgot to turn on this. Yeah, I think someone stuck. Wait a minute. S9 just do that. No, it's automatic. No. Accidentally stop voice recording because my percent is 10%, but now it's not 10%. I just started tomorrow then. Today I this S9. Error John. It's a IR. So no. Why S9 do that? No, error 31. Wait. Whoa.
See the app for help. Error 31.
Wait. Okay. Why S9 have a? I don't know. This I know S9, but this is ultimate only. So this is good dog. I do want to go dog. Oh, yeah, it's okay. The blue I don't know what's called 750 series. And it's you're stuck. Why are you stuck? Stop it. It's starting. So now I have 11 subscribers or 12 subscribers. Okay. Do you have more thing here? Oh, I do also want to. Yeah. Right here. Yep. Oops. Okay. I want to see S9. Let me see. Okay. Finally. Okay. But there's another one. It's stuck. Oh, that's another one. Oh, the guy is calling me. He's like, woo! But I tried to go dark. Oh, I'm sorry. I want to go in the power bar. Okay. Stop it. It's our Samsung. Another Samsung. Have to go charge. Yup. Alright. I do still cleaning. Wow, this is crazy. Oh no. realized that my friend they always said with me all day. So today's Saturday, but yesterday and it's Friday, but I forgot to sleep. So check is 12 o'clock. It's 12 a.m. Yep. J7. Why? We do that. Can I start already? Stop. Whoa, are you stupid? I mean, do I forgot? I don't know. Yeah. Dude, J7, we're about to go dark. Wow. Why you didn't do that? Yeah, what's up, so oh, this is pretty so much crazier. I kind of saw out the dusting. Excuse me. Okay. I realized that I only have to robot vacuums, which is Xiaomi, and I have old one and new one, but the new one I bought from 2024 is September. Why? No. Because the old one is damaged. Okay. Doesn't stick into there. Did you see his error? I don't know. Wait, let me try it. Nope, I caught it. Caught out. Nope. Yeah, I can't press anything. Oh, I feel like I7. The city got weird. Oh, this one look like realistic. They use red. So, what's that? Oh no. Oh, I can see that. Look like oh, it's so loud. It's so loud. Oh, it's ready to turn on.
Starting auto clean.
It's alright. How do you do that? Yeah. So it's gonna be so funny. Okay, let's turn. I just want to tell you. So let's turn off. Wait. I want to see this. Oh no. What other was this? But the brown one. But I don't want to turn off because for some reason I thought it was still charging. Not got anything. Oh, I think I'm about to go dark. I feel I want to copy it to make so let's see. Okay, so good. Okay. We're not copying anything. Oh well, just get charging. Well, I think it's good. What? Yeah. Okay, sorry. Oh, you stuck in. Oh, the LGX is error because essential. Oh, it's another good dog. This is not your dog. This is cute. This is the other Cessna, dude. It's big. This guy is crazy, the tiny one. Super crazy. Are you seriously? You just stuck. What's it looking every first thing? F9 is. Yep. Wait. I think this guy is going down. But there's no arrow to run. Yep. In real life, there's arrow 39 and the 31. Bruh. I completely forgot. The temperature is 85. 85. Do it properly, like in real. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Whoa, okay. Oh, okay. Okay. There's 7. I really want to go dark. Or not. Maybe not. It's fine. Oh, I got really slow. Oh, go back. You go back? Why? How do you do that? Also, I guess we stop recording because I don't know why. I don't know why because we don't like that. Whoa, crazy roomba, watch out! Crazy, watch out, Samsung. I will add this on public. Yeah, video. I gotta do that. I still do this stupid video. Oh, there goes Jason. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, where I go, uncle. Wait, no, not this video. Wait, let's listen to this. So what would you do?
Hey, just guess. They're gonna load for the movie there.
Hold on. Dad. My best friend. Oh, sorry. I had to on call. I had to do this video. Okay, so I think my ear. Okay, let's turn off. I'm gonna stop this. Please. Wait. Should I turn off this? Ah, I can't reach this. Wait. Alright, there's a weather. Yes! Wait. Yes! Turn off S9, sorry. Oh, his phone, i7. Also, there's the i7 there. I hope it's... Okay, let's turn off this. This guy's kind can't rotate it. You can't turn because let's see. Oh no! Wow, what's that? Ah! It's already stuck. Like bye. I need to turn off. Alright guys, this is the end. So thank you much. Please like and subscribe. And I call it and I'm out.